Hello viewers. In a world where smartphone companies launch new devices every year, it's easy to assume that a 6-year-old phone has become obsolete. Yet in 2026, one device that continues to attract buyers across India is iPhone 12 Pro. At first glance, buying an old iPhone 12 Pro in 2026 is a bad idea. Technology moves fast and consumers are constantly told that newer is always better. But the reality is more complicated. iPhone 12 Pro is one of those devices that seems to age differently. Even today, if you pick iPhone 12 Pro, it doesn't feel old. iPhone 12 Pro's popularity is its camera system. Unlike many budget smartphones that rely heavily on software tricks, iPhone 12 Pro offers a versatile triple camera setup. Photos remain detailed and natural while video quality continues to set a benchmark for smartphones. You will get very good stabilization on iPhone 12 Pro, and no Android smartphone can beat iPhone in videography. Apart from cameras, you will get A14 Bionic chipset inside iPhone 12 Pro that will definitely give you a very good performance. Multitasking remains smooth and even demanding games run surprisingly well. As this device was launched in 2020 and people are using this device, battery performance is not so great on this iPhone 12 Pro. In 2026, you can expect a battery around 4 to 5 hours maximum on light to medium usage. Another factor to consider this smartphone is software longevity. While iPhone 12 Pro still supports modern iOS version, it is approaching the later stages of its update cycle. Very soon, iPad 12 Pro will receive iOS 27. This smartphone may get up to iOS 28 update. If you want to buy this smartphone in 2026, you will not get new device, but you have to buy second-hand iPhone 12 Pro, and that might cost around 24 to 28,000 rupees. And if you get around 85% plus battery health, you can definitely buy iPhone 12 Pro at 24 to 25,000 rupees. So if you are a video content creator, in that case, even in 2026, you may get very good results from iPhone 12 Pro. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this smartphone in second-hand market or not. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.